Hello students. Today I will be showing you our new annotation strategy, #legit. We use this to annotate when we're reading. When we annotate, we take notes about what we find during our reading. First, let's review #legit and what it means. Hashtag. It is very important that we number our paragraphs. Note, if the paragraphs have been numbered for you, then there's no need to trace over those numbers. L. Locate text features and keywords. Text features could be titles, subtitles, graphs, captions, or even images. These features give you clues as to what you're reading about. E. Evaluate the author's purpose. Remember Pied? We need to ask ourselves, why is the author writing? Is he or she writing to persuade, inform, entertain, or explain something? Is the author writing to describe a situation, perhaps? Why is the author actually writing? G. Guess what the text is about. Predict. Yes, when you are guessing what the text is about, you're actually making a prediction. And remember, sometimes our predictions will be correct and others maybe not. But when we make our predictions, we should focus on why and what the author is writing about. I. Independent read. You should read the text 3 times. You could read it with a friend. You could skim through it on your own. Or you could actually be listening to it. If it is an article, do try to read it at least 3 times. The first time we read, we skim the text. We're looking for any keywords or those text features I spoke about just a second ago, and those will help us to understand what we are going to be reading about. The second read is gist. We are reading here to get the gist, to try to understand what we are reading just a little bit more. And our third and final read is the deep dive read. This is where we are really going to be focusing in on what the author is telling us. This may be the step where you begin to think about connections that you can make to other texts or to experiences that you might have had in your life or that you've heard about on the news or in your community. And the letter T. Track main ideas. You can track your main ideas by underlining or highlighting. I like to track my main ideas by underlining, highlighting, and jotting a quick little note out in the margin or a comment in the margin of my text. For those of you that are visual, you may also draw a quick picture to help remind you or jog your memory about a certain fact or idea that you want to keep your eye on. This concludes our annotation strategy, #legit. I do hope that this explanation will help you this year when analyzing text. Happy annotating!